Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Store apps that does not work. So when you click on them, there's a black screen and they not launch. And let's get started. Go to start and click on this settings icon here, this gear icon. Then we're gonna scroll all the way down, go to update and security, then go to troubleshoot, and then we're gonna scroll down to additional troubleshooters, and then again scroll down until you find Windows Store apps. Click on it and click on run the troubleshooter. I'm gonna wait this to detect the problems to see if this fixes it. So after you've done that, click on next and then click on next. And then if this did not fix your problem, click on close. Now check if it works. If it still does not work, go to start here, right click on start and go to this Windows PowerShell admin. It needs to be admin, so make sure it says admin. Click on it, click on yes, and now here we're gonna paste this command. This will be in the link, this will be in the description of the video. So just press enter after you copied it, and now we're gonna wait this to finish. So after this, you can ignore these error messages. So just close and test if it works. If still does not work, go to start, again to this gear icon, then scroll down, go to accounts, and here we're gonna go to family and others, other users, and here go to add someone else to this PC, and you have to create a new account here. And after you create new account, you again go here, and when you created new account with Microsoft account, it has to be with Microsoft account. You click on it again and make it administrative account. So, and then you can try restart your PC and try to see if it works. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you on next video. Bye.